Welcome to Christ the King Elementary Junior High School. Here at Christ the King, we celebrate a culture of innovation and support the uniqueness of each student. As a school, we encourage staff and students to share their gifts and talents and provide many opportunities to do so at Christ the King, as well as in the larger community. We strive to create an environment with exciting learning opportunities where everyone is treated with kindness, dignity, and respect. Let me give you a short tour and share what makes CTK unique. The warm welcome of Christ the King begins with our front office staff. They support our students, staff, and parent community and are an integral part of Christ the King. Let us begin with our tour of our Learning Commons, our library. We are truly fortunate to have such a beautiful space for our students to use for accessing a wide variety of books for research or independent reading. In the Learning Commons, students can work on projects as well as their reading skills. Our book collection is always being added to and serves as a reading hub for all students. May my hands be the hands of your work. Grant that I may live in you, by you, and for you. These words come from our school prayer and are central to our spiritual life, as is our chapel here at Christ the King. As we walk together, staff provide opportunities and guidance through our Catholic faith that inspires students to learn, love, lead, and hope is permeated throughout all our school events and classes. With our strong connection to St. Dominic's Parish, our Catholicity and kindness are shared with one another and the broader community through our many social justice projects. With 2 gyms, a fitness room, a phys ed specialist, and a large variety of sports equipment, students can explore and develop their literacy skills through numerous sports activities such as basketball, ultimate frisbee, pickleball, soccer, as well as numerous other sports. Students develop their teamwork and collaboration skills not only in organized sports, but also by participating in inter-school athletics, intramurals, and our elementary and junior high cheer team. Our students' academic journey is important at Christ the King. Our teaching staff, support staff, educational assistants all work closely together to ensure the success of all students at Christ the King. Our team approach and collaboration provides the necessary supports, whether that be providing time in our sensory room to help learners to use self-regulation techniques with a co-regulating adult, or suggesting assistive technology tools and strategies to assist students as they work towards their academic goals. As we visit a few of the classrooms around Christ the King, students will be engaged in a variety of learning activities. A wide variety of resources and technology are available at Christ the King, and you will see some in action today in the classrooms. Using these resources, teachers create learning experiences that engage students in curriculum outcomes and develop a deeper understanding of concepts being explored. Christ the King students are actively involved in problem-solving and critical thinking activities and challenges. They have access to many tools and technology to assist them in their learning. CTK students also experience inquiry-based learning as well as collaborative learning through their academic journey at the school. CTK students have many opportunities at the school. They have the opportunity to learn French as a second language starting in grade 4, which they can continue all the way to grade 9. In math, they have the opportunity to work at learning stations to further their numeracy skills. In science, students are invited to explore challenges to deepen their understanding of science outcomes. A favorite area of our students at Christ the King is our Makerspace. The Makerspace invites students to engage in design thinking challenges and lessons that encourage students to further develop their critical thinking skills and make connections to classroom teaching. Teachers and students have access to a wide variety of materials to engage and challenge students. We are incredibly fortunate at CTK to have 2 music specialist teachers, one for grades 1 to 3 and the other for grades 4 to 9. Students in our elementary music program engage with various instruments and develop their enjoyment of music, self-expression, and creativity. In junior high, students can further build upon their musical skills by joining the band option. The junior high instrumental program focuses on playing, listening, reading, and creating music. As well, students may choose to participate in extracurricular music groups such as elementary and junior high choir, handbell choir, recorder Orff ensemble, ukulele club, honor band, and jazz band. Our foods lab has 7 full kitchens for students to develop their planning, preparation, and cooking skills. We also have a full construction lab where students learn how to use a variety of woodworking machines and tools. To complement the learning experiences in our academic classes and option courses offered at our school, junior high students also participate in Flex. Our Flex blocks allow students to share their gifts and talents and explore topics and subjects outside the regular classroom experience. Thank you for considering registering your child at Christ the King.